Hello everyone. So next we will discuss middle cranial fossa. So you can see here shape of middle cranial fossa is like a butterfly. So first of all, boundary, anterior boundary are the same, those were forming the posterior boundary of anterior cranial fossa. These are lesser wing of sphenoid, anterior clinoid process and sulcus chiasmaticus. Posterior boundary are found by, you can see here, this is petrous bone. This is petrous bone, petrous part of the temporal bone. It lodges middle ear and inner ear. So posteriorly it is bounded by superior border of petrous temporal bone. Then this projection is dorsum sellae. So now you can see here, just anterior to the sulcus chiasmaticus, this projection, this is tuberculum sellae. This is tuberculum sellae. So near the tuberculum sellae, you can see here on either side, this is middle clinoid process. That is joining the anterior clinoid process. This is middle clinoid process. Now just behind the tuberculum sellae, you can see here this depressed area. This is hypophyseal fossa, which lodges the pituitary gland. Behind the hypophyseal fossa, again we have dorsum sellae. So these three structure, tuberculum sellae, hypophyseal fossa and dorsum sellae, they together known as sella turcica. Now you can see here a projection over the dorsum sellae. These are posterior clinoid process. So we have anterior clinoid process here, middle clinoid process here and posterior clinoid process here. And these three structure, tuberculum sellae, hypophyseal fossa and dorsum sellae, these are known as sella turcica. So floor of middle cranial fossa. In the floor we have greater wing of the sphenoid. This is squamous part of the temporal bone and anterior surface of the petrous temporal bone. So these three structures will form the floor of the middle cranial fossa. So we have some foramina here in the middle cranial fossa. You can see here, this is optic canal. Just below the optic canal we have, this is superior orbital fissure. Then over the greater wing of sphenoid we have three foramina: foramen rotundum, foramen ovale that has an oval shape, and foramen spinosum. ROS, rotundum, ovale and spinosum. Next, near the apex of the petrous temporal bone we have foramen lacerum. Thank you.